Hello everyone. Today I will solve the question satisfiability of equality equation. In this question, they will give us a vector of strings, and inside that vector of string there will be the equations. That equation will be only of the double equal to or not equal to. So what we need to do? We need to check if it is possible to assign integers to these variables, so that it satisfies all the given equations. Like in this example, if we assign a is equal to 10, so b will be 10, right? So now we need to check whether this equation is satisfied or not. B is equal not to 10, it is not satisfied because 10 is not equal to 10 is false, so we will return false. So we need to solve this question. So how we can solve this question? We can solve this question by using union find. In union find, what we do, we break uh, all this character into small groups, like a is equal to b, a is equal to c. So all these are equal, right? So we will make it a group of a, and there will be a leader, like here g is the leader of this group, like this. Here e is equal to f is equal to e, so it is different group and the leader is e. So like this we can assign a value to these groups, and in the last, first we will check for the equal to, and in the last we will run a for loop for not equal to, and we will check if the leader of like e leader of e will be e only. If there is no leader, that value itself will be the leader, or you can say that value itself be the root. So here root of e is e, right? And root of b is g, so it is not equal, so we can return true because it is not equal. If both will be equal, it means that both these values belong to the same group, so it is not equal, it can't be equal. So we, in that situation, we will return false. So first we will run for double equal to, that is equal to for loop, and after that we will run for the not equal to, and we will check if any values comes like both belong to the same group. In that situation we will simply return false. So here we can do, first we will call a function that will be find parent, or you can say find root. That function will return us either root. If there is no root, that character itself, it will return that character itself. Like here first, in our first input, a is equal to b. Here root of b is nothing, right? We have not assigned any root to the b, so in that situation it will return the b only, and same goes for a. So the root of b will be a. Here a is equal to c, so the parent, or you can say root of c, will be a only. And for this b equal to d. In this question, in this input, the parent of d is d only, but parent of b is a, so the parent of d will be a, like this. It will not be, the parent of d will not be the b, because the parent of b is a. And for g equal to b, the parent of b is a, and the parent of g is g only, so the parent of a will be g. Now for e equal to f, here parent of f is equal to e, like this. Now we are running for this not equal to, and we are getting true. Now see the code part. So here it is our function. Here we are assigning the parent. We have 26 character in English alphabet, or you can say 26 alphabet. So we are making it a size of 26, and we are running a for loop for assigning the root of each character to that character only. The character itself is the root of that character. Here if it is equal to, if the string 1 is equal, in that situation we will find the root of both the value like x or y, and if it is not equal we will assign the parent. Y will be parents of y will be the x only, like here parent of b is g. So first we will find the parent of b and parent of g, and the value of this uh, parent of this b will be g. So if after checking all this equal to, we will check for the not equal to, and if we find that any characters belong to the same group, uh, x and y both belong to the same group, in that situation we will return false. Now run this code. It successfully got submitted. Thank you.